Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. If you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And today I have come up with this cartoon face art, and I saw Nikki Tutorials doing it on her channel and I'm like, I need to do this, okay? And if you people don't know who she is and if you're a makeup lover, you have to know who she is. I'm gonna leave her link down in the description box so that you people can see who she is and what I'm talking about, because she is absolutely fabulous, I'm telling you. She's basically the OG of makeup. She's been in this industry for past 12 or 11 years, and she was one of these first people who started it. The trend of doing makeup and giving tutorials. This was originally done by Ellis Atlantis, and she recreated that, and I like the recreation better than the original, so I tried to do this and I hope I did justice. And so without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, get all the hair out of your face. If it's going to be on your face, it's going to keep disturbing you. So I'm going to take a moisturizer. So I'm going to take the Urban Botanics Neem and Basil Mattifying Moisturizer. Be generous, guys, because too much of work is going to go on in your face. So I'm just going to apply that. After doing that, I'm going to go ahead with a primer. So I'm going to take the Lakme Absolute Glow Perfecting Primer, this one right over here. And this time I'm going to take little extra primer and put it all over my cheeks, my forehead, my entire face almost, because we are going to do a lot of work. So yeah. So once that's done, I'm this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange. I like to use my fingers. If you're comfortable with a brush, go ahead with the brush. So I'm going to take Maybelline Superstay in the shade 312 Golden. Say hi. Say hi, Kanu. Say hi. Everyone is a fan of you because you're so handsome. Say hi. Next, I'm gonna take a concealer. For concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 40 Caramel. I'm gonna set this with Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen. This powder. Next, I'm gonna take a lighter concealer, the same Maybelline Fit Me, but this is in the shade Light. And this is an amazing concealer for your, like a base primer for your eyes. I'm gonna do that. Take the Hilary Rhoda palette. Take this blue over here. I'm gonna take this blue. I'm gonna take it all the way up because that's how Nikki Tutorials had it. And yes, had a very bright pink going on from the same palette. I'm gonna take this pink over here and I'm gonna put that. I'm going to put the blue in my lower lash line and pink in my lower lash line. Okay, I look funny. Take a liquid liner and do my eyeliner, and this is going to be heavily dramatic, huh? I'm warning you in advance. Lord help me. For drawing the attachment of this, I'm gonna just take Swiss Beauty's Pro eyeliner. Here I'm gonna draw the eyelash strokes. I had drawn a black line here and then drawn the eyelashes down too. After doing this, I'm going to take white eyeliner, and she had put it in her outer corners and inner corners, so I'm going to do that. She had drawn this. Take the white eyeliner. So next I'm going to do eyebrows. For eyebrows I'm taking the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. Eyebrows were black, so I'm going to take the Nicka Case palette and take this black shade, and I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to draw over my eyebrows to make it look dark and stark. I'm liking this look. I'm taking the Lash Sensational and I'm curling my eyelashes. So I'm taking the Million Lashes by L'Oreal, and I'm going to curl my lower lash line because it looks good like that. I'm going to quickly finish this eye and come back. The same things what I did there will be done here. My eye look is done. I popped on some very dramatic lashes. Are the 3 fashion lashes. It comes in 3: glam, volume and sexy. This is the one, and these are by Delushi. I will link it down. I bought from Amazon. Like, can you see how dramatic? Like, can you see how dramatic they are? The major part of this look is done. So the next thing is our face. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pink eyeshadow once again, and I'm gonna go ahead ham with this side. So once we are done with the pink, I'm gonna go ahead and do the orange. The Nicka K palette, I'm gonna take this orange over here. For the yellow, I'm gonna take the Nicka K Under the Sea palette. I'm gonna take this yellow. This is the most pigmented yellow that I own. What you want to do? So I'm gonna put this here. For the green, I'm gonna take this color over here because that's the only green I have. So I'm gonna take this green. And the next part is applying strokes over our face with a black eyeliner or a black marker, Dazzler's liquid liner. And I'm gonna start doing the strokes. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take Milani Amour's Devotion, and this is by far the best red. So I'm going to take that and apply it. I have to outline my lips with the black. So I'm going to take the white liner once again. I'm going to draw dots. This Wet n Wild Kajal crayon in the shade You're Always White, and I'm going to draw with that. So after that, I'm going to draw my jawline with this. Guys, this was my completed look. I hope you like it. This is the first time I'm trying out something like this, and it came out like super good, like super good. And I love it. I just love it so much. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with my results. And if you liked this video and found it helpful as to how to do a 3D art, please do like, comment and share my video. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And please let me know what all content would you like to see. So I love you all. I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah, bye.